It's time, guys. Time to build a new PC. I built a new PC in Monkey Block. Let's just go. Well, first of all, we built PC. We built PC. We built PC. We built PC. We built PC and Gorilla Tag. Ooh. Ow. Okay, it is time to build a new PC. Empty. Okay, first of all, we need to build basic PC. So first, we take this, and then put here. This is where PC built. Now we build second part of PC. Now we just need to grab one of these blocks. So first we need 2 6x6s, then one 4x4. Then we put 6x6 right here, then another one right here, and then 4 right here. Just keep repeating that until it gets to like right here. It's the base walls. And then we have 6x again to make the back. Oops. Right, there we go. And then we just repeat it. Ooh. You guys can skip to when I finish building PC. You don't have to watch me build up the soul button. 6x6. Oh. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot. That's not how it goes. That is definitely not how to build a PC. Then we have this. Yes, this. Wait, what do I? Okay, yeah, 4x4. Here. Yes, perfect. PC. Now for the sometimes if you add more details, you can just go to platformer, then add some of the mechanicals. Yes, indeed. Or the mechanicals. This is just for if you want to make it, put more details into this. And that's what I'm doing. And then boom, there you go. Detail added. Cool, right? Oh yeah, really fun. Now we just add the 6 by 6. 6 by 6. If you want to add more details, even more details, you can length it up to where the mechanical is. Now let's test this thing out. Oh yeah, I forgot. We can add a keyboard if you want. Keyboard. Oh yeah. Oops. Yeah, you could add a keyboard if you want. Alright, now let's test it. Look at beautiful PC. Oh. See, look, mechanical stuff built. You can literally go up as high as you can. Yeah, you can length it up if you want. And then you can put on your keyboard if you want. And yeah, that's how you build a PC. Literally. You can length it up to however you want, like this. To like right there if you want it. Yeah, that's how you build a PC. Now I'm just gonna save this real quick. And if you wanna see my PC, just go into Flappa Guy code, my fan code. Alright, see you later, guys.